Hi guys, let us look at this division in base 5. The question says divide 343 base 5 by 4 base 5. Before we go into this division, let us look at 724 divided by 6 that we'll normally do in base 10 and see how it works so that we can apply that to the division in base 5. So if we are normally given this 724 divided by 6 to divide in base 10 through log division, we form the long division in this order: 764 divided by 6. So to solve this, we are going to write down the 6 times table here, where we have 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 1 6, 6 times 2 12, 6 times 3 18, 6 times 4 24, 6 times 5 30, 6 times 6 36, 6 times 7 42, 6 times 8 48, and 6 times 9 54. We end in 9 because we are operating in base 10, so we cannot go to 10. So we end in 9. So with this 6 times table here, we can be able to do this long division. So let's go. 6 divided by 7. We'll be looking at the results here and comparing them with the number we are dividing with. With the number we are dividing, when the digit is equal to that number or less than it, or just less than it, we're going to pick that base 10 number. So 6 divided by 7. If we look at the answer here, 6 is the answer. So 6 divided by 7 will give us 1. So we'll put down the 1 here. So that 6 times 1 is equals to 6. And the 6 will be here. Then we do 7 minus 6 to give us 1. 6 into 1 cannot. We bring down this 6 here. So we have 16. 6 divided by 16. We come down here. We cannot pick 18, so we pick 12. And 6 divided by 16 will give us 2. So we have 2. 2 times 6 gives us 12. Then we do the subtraction, and 16 minus 12 gives us 4. 6 into 4 cannot. We bring down this 4 to become 44. 6 divided by 44. We check our table again. 42 is the number just less than 44. And so 6 divided by 44 will be equals to 7 in base 10. So we put down the 7. 7 times 6 gives us 42 here. Then we do the subtraction. 44 minus 42 gives us 2. 6 into 2 cannot. There is no other number to drop. So the answer becomes 127, remainder 2. So this is the answer for this normal division in base 10. So we are just going to repeat the same thing for this base 5. So let's put down the 4. We are dividing by 4, so we are going to put down the 4 times table in base 5. Just the way we put down the 6 times table in base 10. So we start off. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Remember, we are doing this in base 5. 8 cannot be a number in base 5. So 8 divided by 5 will give us 1, remainder 3. That's how we came with this 13. We continue. 4 times 3 will give us 12. 12 cannot be a number in base 5. So we do 12 divided by 5 gives us 2, remainder 2. Then we do 4 times 4, 16. 16 cannot be a digit in base 5. So 16 divided by 5 gives us 3, remainder 1. We are not going further because we are operating in base 5. So we cannot have 4 times 5 because we cannot have 5 in base 5. So having presented this table, let's go into the division. 4 divided by 3 cannot. So we go to the next one. We now have 34. 4 into 34. Let's check our table. The digits we can use is 31. So 4 into 34 will give us 4 in base 5. So the answer here will be 4. 4 times 4 is 31. So we have 31 here, and then we subtract. 34 minus 31 gives us 3. 4 into 3 cannot, so we bring down this 3, and we have 33. 4 into 33, we look at our table. 31 is the closest there, so 4 into 33 will give us 4 in base 5. So we put down 4. 4 times 4 gives us 31 in base 5. If we subtract, we get 2. 4 into 2 cannot. There is no other number to drop, and the answer becomes 44, remainder 2. So this is a way of dividing in dividing number base through long division method. If there is any question, please ask in the comment section, and thank you very much for watching. Please try this example, try this exercise. Divide 213 base 4 by 2 base 4. Please put your answer in the comment section. Thank you.